This tutorial is for how to use the Notte Eterna pre-order page on BackerKit, where you can still grab your copy of our 5th edition campaign. When you arrive, you can view the original campaign and all the details about the project on Kickstarter by clicking the View the Campaign link below the funded date. Scrolling down on the BackerKit pre-order page, you can select your reward tier and any individual and additional add-ons you'd like to receive, such as the hardback books, softcover books, gadgets including the GM screen, printed miniatures, dice. My personal favorite is the world map printed on cloth fabric, wooden box and dice tray, printed posters, and any individual digital assets you'd like to receive. So scrolling back up to the late pledges, let's walk through the pre-order process. So for instance, I want the hardback bundle, and I'm going to select the language. So we offer 2 languages, English and Italian. For now, I'm going to select English. And then in the details below, you'll see the contents of the reward tier. This the hardback bundle contains the core books in hardback, the GM screen, and as a bonus, all the digital stretch goals and printable posters. So I'm going to press the pre-order button, and that's going to bring up the cart. I want additional add-ons, so I'm going to press the X to close out of that. So I want the dice, and it comes in multiple colors. I like the bone color, and so when I press the pre-order button, it's once again going to bring up the cart. This is fine for me, so now I'm going to press the checkout button, and it's going to ask for my shipping information. And then after this screen, it's going to ask for the payment details to complete the pre-order. We're not going to charge your card, though, for the shipping until the books and add-ons are ready to be shipped approximately 1 year from now. In the meantime, you will keep receiving updates about our project progress via email. You can also connect with us personally on Discord by replying to our emails or joining in our social channels to ask us any questions or simply stay up to date. You can find links to our social channels in the email that you received that brought you to BackerKit. That's all there is really to the pre-order process, and I thank you so much for checking our campaign. Please support us today. I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Take care.